I have a question. Back in 2007, we filed for bankruptcy to stop foreclosure on the home.
Okay.
And what we're wanting to know is, can they proceed with foreclosure again on the house while you're in in bankruptcy? And with that, what was the other one? It's a two-parted question.
Okay.
And the other half is, okay, we're back in the same position that we were back in 2007 because of the company changed companies. We're no longer with the Countrywide. It's Bank of America. And the same thing, you call, make a payment, and it's, we can't accept it, talk to your lawyer or whatever. That's where we're at now, and I'm just trying to see where do we go from here.
Okay. Thank you, Keisha. We appreciate you calling tonight. What are your thoughts, Ted? Do you hear similar situations to Keisha's?
I think if I understood what Keisha said, she filed bankruptcy in 2007.
Right.
She still has her house, and it's behind. What she needs to consider now is filing a 13 to catch that house up. The thing in a Chapter 13 is you'll have to be able to afford your regular house note, and you can put the arrears in the plan and pay something extra. Sometimes we have people come into us and they can't afford their house note and think that we can modify it. We cannot modify the house note where you live, but we can take the part that you're behind and catch it up through a plan.
Mm-hmm. Talk a little bit more, I guess, about filing for bankruptcy and what will that provide a person? Obviously, then some financial relief.
Well, of course, the two main kinds of bankruptcy that consumers file are Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. A Chapter 7 is where they discharge their debts, and it gives them protection. Instantly when you file, all creditors are stopped from whatever they're doing. In a Chapter 13, there's also the co-debtor stay. So if somebody co-signed with you and you file a Chapter 13, then they can't go after the co-signer either because you're offering to pay that debt. In Chapter 13, you can cure arrears, you can lower the interest rate on your car, you can pay less than 100% if you qualify. There's just a lot of things you can do in a Chapter 13 if you don't qualify for that Chapter 7 or if your circumstances are such that it doesn't work for you.
Okay. All right.